Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign into Doomsday with Facebook. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your Doomsday application on your device. Once you're inside the main game, tap on the profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now, select the settings option at the bottom and then tap on account under settings. Go ahead and tap on the link button right next to Facebook option. Now you will be taken to facebook.com to sign into your account, so tap on continue in the pop-up and go ahead and log into your facebook.com account by entering your email and password. After you are done, tap on login option and tap on open to open up Facebook application on your device. You will need to now allow Doomsday to access your name and profile picture and also the email address. Tap on continue button to allow the access and then open up Doomsday application back again. And you have successfully linked your Facebook account with Doomsday. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.